Hey everybody, this is Jimmy here today to do a quick unboxing video of the Barton Watch Bands quick release leather band, which I bought for my Samsung Galaxy Watch. For watch aficionados, the traditional way of doing things when you want to change your look is to literally change your watch. You might have a dress watch, you might have a sport watch, that sort of thing. But if you're sold out to the functionality of a smartwatch, then your options are to change your watch face and change your watch band. And so that's why I picked up a couple of Barton leather bands. Now, Barton Watch Bands is located in Austin, Texas. That's where I live. And so I love supporting local businesses. And clearly, these guys are very passionate about watches and that sort of thing. It's a real interesting story. You can check it out on their website. They also give to charity, and I appreciate that too. So I was hoping that I would like their bands, and I'll spoil the end, but I already have been using one for a while now, so I just got this other one and wanted to show it off a little bit. So all right, so let's take a look. So it comes in a nice little box. You can tell that it's a black band with orange thread. And little instructions on how to change the watch band, which is simple these days. It's just a quick release, and that's about it. All right, so that's what it looks like right there, and for me, that's an outrageous style. Barton has, I have to tell you, Barton has, I don't know if it's hundreds, but they have dozens and dozens of styles and lots of colors and lots of materials, and you should check them out. I'm a pretty, stylistically, I'm fairly bland, and so a little orange stripe here is pretty radical for me. All right, so anyway, let's get this. Oh, it's got a little protective plastic. Get rid of that. And all right. Let's see how fast I can do this. Oops. Let's see. Gotta go slow to be fast. Alright guys, I'll promise to cut all this out if it doesn't latch soon. Alright, so there's how it looks. I don't know, in my opinion, being leather, just even that by itself is nicer than the standard silicone watch band, but very nice looking. So something you can do is, so this is a standard watch face on the Samsung. It's the one, in fact, it's the one that I use the most. But you can change the color of the numbers and in the display and have it match the watch band. It looks much nicer. That's actually pretty handsome. But I like changing the watch faces further, and I have a special program called Watchmaker that that helps me do that. And so, for example, I could dress this up even better. So there's a nice Rolex face with some orange markers, and I think that looks really nice. I think it's a really good look, and that's probably the face I would use with this particular watch band. Looks really good. And then I'll show you another one that the one I've been using. Which is actually the same style, just with a different color thread. So yeah, I'm not exactly a radical, oops, let's go away from my voicemail. And so this one, which has white stitching, I match with a nice black and white face like this IWC. So that's actually when I'm wearing a dressed up watch face. This is actually the one I wear the most. So I think it's really nice looking. But like I said, these bands are really good. I've worn this for a couple of months now. Holds up great, looks great, smells great if you're into that sort of thing. And I really recommend them. As time passes, I will probably pick up more and maybe try to be a little more daring with my stylistic choices. But I think it's a good company and they make a good product, and I really like it. I really like what it does for the watch and the looks you can achieve with it. So I think that's about all. So hit me up in the comments, and if you like my videos, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your friends. Thanks a lot. Hope you have a great day.